Let's create one more tutorial in NX Siemens. In this video, you'll learn to use the extrude and hold. So open the NX and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create this sketch here. This line here and this one is equal and has 10 millimeters of length, and this line here has 10 millimeters of length, and the distance between this point here and this point here is 50 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the right plane, press OK, and here select a line, click here in the midpoint, make this sketch here. Okay, and add relations, select make equal or press letter Q in the keyboard and select this line and this one. Apply and close here, and now the length here. Select this line, the distance here is 10 millimeters. You can select yes, and now the distance, this line here has 10 millimeters. Move this dimension here a little bit and go to rapid dimension, select this point and select this point here. The distance here is 50 millimeters. Press OK. We made this one, and now we will create this sketch here and we'll put the dimensions later. Okay, and this line here and this one is equal, this line here and this one is equal. So select line, click here in this point, make this sketch here. Okay, and go to constraints and select make equal, select this line here and this one. Apply this, select this line and this one and apply this. And now the dimension, this line here 30 millimeters and this line here 20 millimeters, and this line here has 10 millimeters. Okay, so click here in this line, the distance here is 30 millimeters. You can move this line here a little bit. This line here has 20 millimeters and this line here has 10 millimeters. You can move the dimension here a little bit. We made this sketch here, and now finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this, and we will extrude this 25 millimeters. So go to extrude, the profile is this one, the start select symmetric, and the distance here is 25 and press OK. We made this one. You can hide the sketch one here. Okay, and now we need to create this hole with 10 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of this hole and this edge here is 20 millimeters, and it is in the center of this part. Okay, and one more information, that this hole is through all this body. So to create this, select the hole, and here select this face to create a hole. The diameter 10 millimeters, and here let's edit the distance here. So click here, and the distance here is 10 millimeters, and the distance here is 25/2 to make this point in the center. This 10 millimeters is because the distance here is 20, sorry, and the distance here is 30 millimeters. So we have 20 here plus 10. Okay, so we use this reference. So finish the sketch here, and here the limit, the dip, select through body and press OK. We made this cut. Let's see this. Go to view, select edit section, and here you can select the X plane and press OK. We made this cut here. So that's it. Here we finish your exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.